Okay. I am going to start it because if I'm going to wait for your friends to come, they will take the entire day to come. Okay, so if from 8 I'm starting. Since this is CW, just since this is CW, you should do it in the copy. Ten is no need to ask. If is 0 is greater than minus 50, write it in increasing order. Increasing order means from smallest to the bigger number. We will write. Please keep your sides mute. Sujan, please keep your sides mute. This is minus 10 by the way. Sanchit, please keep your sides mute. Sanchit, keep your sides
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Please keep your sides mute.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And start doing the sums. I will remove it just now only.
Ma'am, number 8.
Yes, number 8, 9, all these sums I'm solving. Please just mute your sides. Please just mute your sides. Ankit, please keep your sides mute.
Okay.
Complete it, only then I will go to the next.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, that you were just marking that is HW.
Yes.
Ma'am, please show.
Yes, one to two sums I will show. Okay, but the rest of the sums will be your homework.
Yes.
Very
Ma'am, this you will give in assignment.
uh, see all the answers I will upload. Okay, like the previous days. Even
Ma'am, this is the better that you will check in class because sometimes we cannot send in app because for
exactly.
network.
For network, for if it is not completed on time, the time has been also expired. Better I will give you in the give you the answers of all those questions as well as by
Ma'am, or you will check in class.
yes, you will complete it tomorrow. I will enter the class and I will see that in first I will see that you have completed it or not. Then only I
Ma'am,
will
you
start
can
it.
do this that you can
Ma'am, that
take
class
one
work
day
you will check.
Obviously,
homework,
classwork also I will.
classwork and homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you will
Okay,
take,
ma'am.
ma'am, you will see one day, then like if you see in Friday, then Friday the whole day, that is the home, every day homework and classwork checking
Yes,
class.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Only 4 days I'm getting the class. And if I'm going to just involve one more day for the for homework checking or classwork checking, there will be only 3 days left. Okay. So I can't complete the syllabus. Though I will get the computer class that time everything will be adjusted. But essay for essay one, the syllabuses are a little bigger, you all know. So what I am thinking, if this exercise is completed, I will create one assignment. Okay, for the exercise A, classwork, homework,
Ma'am,
everything. Just
hello.
listen to me first. Classwork, homework, everything, page by page. You will just take a photos, take photos, and you will just submit it. Please keep your sites mute. What is this? So that what will happen by while I will check, I will thoroughly check. Okay, suppose by the end of this week, this entire exercises has been completed. Okay, so I will create an assignment. I will give much time, 2 3 days. You will just take the photos and
Ma'am,
to upload. Yes. What happened? Any question? Any doubts? Any question or any doubts?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Okay, go ahead. Please tell your doubt. Don't waste the class.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am, number 10, all are homework.
Yes, number 10, decreasing order means the reverse way. That means from bigger number to smaller number you need to write. From 11, I am showing 11 absolute value. Absolute value, I told you that is happening for the mod function. Okay, I already told you. So all the numbers are coming as a positive integers. Okay, so this is A. Answer I am showing you. Plus 771. Next 12. 12 is A. 4 more than minus 8. So when it
Ma'am, D ma'am, what you written that? That is ma'am 1774.
plus 1 plus 771.
Okay, ma'am.
So in the 12 sum, in generally, I am just going to give you one concept. More than, whenever you will get the word more than, okay, spelling is written right. There, that means it is the performing as it will just addition. Okay. And whenever there is the word, you will get that less than, it is that subtraction. Please keep your side. Not child, otherwise I will keep my from my side
Ma'am,
also.
this 10 to 20 is homework.
Not 10 to 20. See, I am just marking those sums. Means 1 to 2 sums I will show from each. These are very easy already, and also I will upload the answers also. Okay, so no problem. Keep it there. Now here coming that for using number line. Number line you need to use it. Okay, I am just drawing it over here.
Ma'am,
Over
can you
here.
show number 10, please?
No. While I will upload the answer, that time you will get to see. Decreasing means from the, I'm just telling what I'm telling in from my mouth, listen to it. I'm just keeping all of you mute. Otherwise, you there are some students that they are not going to listen to me. They will always keep themselves unmute. So decreasing means from the biggest number among these, from big to small number. You need to write. Okay, now 4 more than minus 8. Okay, so here mostly the negative integers we will just do. My pen is very bad. In your class only it is not working properly. Okay, 4 more than minus 8. Now whenever you will see that minus 8 is there, first we will go to 4. Sorry, minus 8. Okay, now 4 more than means 4 step on the right hand side we will go. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. That means from here to here we will draw, and we have reached to minus 4, and we will write like that 4 4. Array, we will write like that 4 more than minus 8. Okay, and we will encircle it, or you can just put a dot over here. Okay, put a dot over here, big dot, so that you know what is your answer, it will come out. Okay, and afterwards I am coming to your questions. Afterwards you will write the answer as 4 more than minus 8 is minus 4. Okay, yes Maher, while you are drawing, just I am going to attend Maher's question. Yes, Maher, what is the problem? Unmute yourself. Unmute Maher.
Ma'am,
Unmute.
6 and 7. Ma'am, number 6 and 7, we will upload the answer in assignment.
Good morning, Maher. I hope that previous class you have missed. So go to the YouTube channel and watch it. There we have completed everything, and whatever homework I have given, everything, all the exercise answer I will upload. But it will take a time because I need to type and I will upload.
Okay, ma'am.
So Sams, I'm going to keep yourself mute, please. 6 more than 10. 6 more than 10, that means the answer will be obviously 16, right? So here we will write the positive sides of the number line. Okay, and don't forget to give dots while you are just drawing on the number line. Okay, so much more negative parts we will not show. 1 and up to 16. What is the problem? 1. Okay, I'm just writing on the top. Sometimes what is happening to my pen, I don't know. My drawing is not so good since I'm drawing on my computer screen. Just in your copy, you try to do it nicely, okay? Okay, now 6 more than 10. So we will start from 10 because I told you always we will start from the second number. So from 10, here 6 more, 6 steps forward we will go, okay? So here we will write 6 more than 10. And our answer, we will just encircle it with the dots. I hope that it is visible right now. This is looking very nice, that blackboard. Complete it, then we will go to the next sum. Okay. That is why we should just every time we will just mention the which number we are going to take. If it is +1 -2, it's good. -2 is sitting here and +1 is sitting here. Now suppose I'm at one instant I'm taking -2 -5. Now here -5 will be sitting on the left, but the -2 will be sitting right. So this rules is only getting valid for the number pair. Again, I am repeating, for this number pair, the rules is getting valid. So just copy all the things. Rest of the sum from D, E, F, I hope that you can do. Though I will put all the answers also. But I hope that you should try it and you should complete it. Okay, I hope that everyone has completed. Okay, so I am clearing my screen. Next, coming to 14. Okay, 14 is write 8 negative integers less than 10. So 20, 20, so what will be minus 21 to all the, okay, so I'm showing it by the number line. Suppose minus 20 is here, okay, and here minus 21 and here minus 19 is there. So here all the numbers like minus 21, minus 22, minus 23, all the numbers will be less than 20. Because while I was teaching you the number line, why all of you are raising hand? You can't see my screen. Yes, Tuhin, unmute. Unmute, Tuhin. Please unmute.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Keep yourself mute then.
Okay,
Keep
ma'am.
yourself mute. So all the numbers, whatever is just situated on the left, these are smaller numbers. And if I'm just going to take this number as our base, and all the numbers, whichever is situated on the right, these are bigger number. Okay. So whatever number is going to give us, we will just solve it accordingly. Okay, if we are forgetting that which is bigger, which is smaller, you should plot the number in number line so that you can visualize the number and you can just solve the sum very easily. Integers means nothing here. We are just visualizing the numbers, the entire number system, almost entire. Nothing. It is not in class 8. You will again learn the rational number also. So here, so minus 21. Less numbers I am writing. So minus 21. This is the concept for your understanding I was writing. So I removed that. Minus 22, minus 23, minus 24, minus 25, minus 26, minus 27, minus 28. R. Here greater they have told. Okay, I'm just done the smaller one. Smaller number than minus 20, greater number are also the right hand side number. That means minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12 are greater. I hope that now the concept is clear. Greater numbers than minus 20. By the way, Monday's attendance I couldn't keep. That was some apps problem was there. Okay, so that attendance putting option is still not there. Okay, so Monday's attendance he will not get. Today's definitely will get. Just write it. And here I think this and this sums as homework you can do. Next, I'm coming to 14, 15, 16, 17. Successor and predecessor concept. Suppose this is your number line. Consider 0, 1 and minus 1. Suppose I'm asking you what is the successor of 0. Successor means always the number right hand side, exactly the right hand side of a particular number. So successor means with respect to 0, successor of 0. That means 1 is the successor of 0 and minus 1 is the predecessor of 0. Okay. So whenever the negative integers, suppose I'm talking about minus 1. So minus 1 এর exactly ডান দিকে যেটা থাকবে সেটা হবে minus 1 এর successor. Minus 1 এর exactly বাঁ দিকে যেটা থাকবে সেটা হবে predecessor. Is that concept clear? তাই জন্য এখানে একটা জিনিস বলেছে, আমি রিমুভ করছি, ভিডিওতে সব পেয়ে যাবি, যে -21 এর সাকসেসর আর প্রেডেসেসর। এটা খুব ভুল হয়, আমি দেখেছি বাচ্চাদের, তোরা বাচ্চাই, ঠিক আছে? এক্স্যাক্টলি এইদিকে কে আছে, রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে -120, আর এক্স্যাক্টলি লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে কে আছে, এইটা। আর আমি সাকসেসর কি বলেছিলাম, এক্স্যাক্টলি রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইড নাম্বার। তাই তো? So this is 120 -120 is the successor of -121. Now definitely this will be the predecessor of -121. Just draw this thing and make your concept clear. If any question is there from this sum, just raise your hand. If you understood this part, just take out -30s, -29 successor. Here you write the successor and here you write the predecessor and tell me the answer. Anyone you can tell me. Yes, Rajita.
Ma'am, I have doubt in number 13 question. Ma'am, if there is -19, ma'am, I am give example, there is subtraction 19 and in addition 20, then what will be the answer?
-19 and addition 20, right? So
Yes,
the
ma'am. Like
answer will be
left
come
and
as
right.
left will be -19 and right will be +20.
Ma'am, how?
এই দুটো নাম্বারের রেসপেক্টে আমি করছি, তো জাস্ট এইটা একবার কপি করে নে, আমি বলে দিচ্ছি কেন।
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, and once more that if there is +20 and +25, then how what will be answer?
Then the left will be +20 and +25 will be the right. কেন হচ্ছে
Ma'am,
আমি
how?
বলে দিচ্ছি wait,
Okay, ma'am.
much time is not there, so please write it very fast. -29 successor will be -28
8,
and predecessor will be -30.
30.
Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Now I'm just removing the drawing. So first number was -19 and +20, and the second number was +20 and +25.
Yes, ma'am.
-90 আর +20 যদি আমি প্লট করি, 0 আছে এখানে, এখানে ধর -19 আছে, আমি আর কিছু আঁকছি না, আর এখানে ধর +20 আছে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে এই নাম্বার লাইনটায় কোনটা লেফটে আছে? -19টা লেফটে আছে আর +20টা রাইট সাইডে আছে,
Right.
তাই তো? আবার আমি সেকেন্ড অঙ্কটার জন্য আবার একটা নাম্বার লাইন ড্র করলাম, 0 এখানে কোথাও একটা আছে, ধর 20টা এখানে আছে, দুটোই প্লাস নাম্বার, আর 25টা এখানে আছে। এবারে 20টা এই দুটো নাম্বারের রেসপেক্টে কোনটা লেফটে আছে? 20টা লেফটে আছে আর +25টা রাইটে আছে। আমি সবসময় যে নাম্বার দুটো দেখছি সেই দুটো নাম্বারের রেসপেক্টে লেফট রাইটটা লিখছি, ঠিক আছে? এবার ক্লিয়ার
Okay,
হলো?
ma'am.
ওকে,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if there is -5 and -15, then same thing we have to do.
-15 ড্র করে নেব নাম্বার লাইন, সব ড্র করার দরকার নেই। -5 এখানে আছে, 0টা ধর এখানে আছে, -15টা এখানে কোথাও একটা আছে, তাহলে -15টা এখানে বসছে মানে এটা লেফটে বসছে, -5টা এখানে বসছে মানে এই দুটো নাম্বারের রেসপেক্টে আমরা যখনই কম্পেয়ার করছি এই ধরনের জিনিস এই দুটো নাম্বারের রেসপেক্টে, তাই জন্য কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। আই হোপ সো।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
I am just stopping my screen share because much time is not there. I need to take the attendance also. Okay, so anything you missed, no need to worry, I will just post